Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our geometry videos. We're currently in Unit 2, and we are on problem number 19, section 2.1.2. So in this problem, we're finally getting some geometry concepts, talking about angles and angle relationships and how their measures relate. And what we're asked to do is look at the diagram, determine. Got him. We're good. We're safe. Don't worry. You're bugging me all day. Okay. So we're supposed to look at the two angles, determine the relationship between those angles, and then set up an equation which we could relate those two angles together, and then finally use that to solve for x. So in the first one here, the relationship here, we call these vertical angles. So in the case of vertical angles, they end up being equal. So the 3x plus 5, whatever measure that angle has, is the same as 5x minus 57. So if we have vertical angles, we just set them equal to each other, and now we can solve for x. So I'm going to add 57 to this side. So 3x plus 62 equals 5x. Let's subtract 3x from both sides, and we get 62 equals 2x. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x to equal 31. The next one here illustrates two adjacent angles that add to 180 degrees. They form what's called a linear pair. We also call these angles supplementary. They don't have to be next to each other. Sorry, we don't need to be next to each other to be supplementary, but these are adjacent and supplementary, so we call them a linear pair. Any two supplementary angles are going to add to 180 degrees. So our equation is going to basically combine these two angles together. So 4x plus 150 plus 2x, we set that equal to 180. Combining like terms, we get 6x plus 150 equals 180. And move this 150 to the other side. So 6x equals 30. Dividing both sides by 6. X equals 5. So we have two big vocabulary terms here in this particular problem: vertical angles, which are equal to each other, and then supplementary angles, in this specific case a linear pair, which add up to 180. Any questions on the vocabulary of those terms or how we use them to set up the equation, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, you can subscribe, like, or share to our geometry videos.